In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Steam failed to start game app already running error in 5 minutes. This is a common issue faced by many users, and luckily it can be resolved with a few straightforward steps. Follow along and we'll have you back in the game in no time. First, you need to exit out of Steam completely. This isn't just closing the main window, but ensuring that it isn't running in the background at all. To do this correctly, go to your taskbar, find the Steam icon, right click on it and select exit. This will ensure that Steam is completely shut down and not just minimized or hidden. Now let's open Task Manager, which can be done a couple of ways. The quickest method is to press Ctrl, Shift and S at the same time, which will pop up the Task Manager window. Alternatively, you can right click on the taskbar at the bottom of your screen and select Task Manager from the menu. With Task Manager open, you'll want to navigate to the Processes tab. Here you'll find a list of all the running applications and background processes. Look through the list and locate Steam 32-bit. This is where the app might still be lingering, causing the error. Once you've found Steam in the list, it's time to end the task. Click on Steam and then at the bottom right of the Task Manager window, click on End Task. This forces the Steam process to shut down completely, allowing you to start fresh. Afterwards, you can go ahead and close the Task Manager. Just click on the X in the top right corner of the window and it will disappear from your desktop. Finally, it's time to relaunch the Steam app. You can do this by double clicking the Steam icon on your desktop or finding it in your start menu. This restart clears any bugs or errors and should solve the app already running issue. Remember, these steps are not only a quick fix for today, but are also good for future reference in case you encounter a similar issue. Following these easy steps should get you right back to gaming without any hiccups. By ensuring that all processes are properly closed before reopening the app, you pave the way for a smoother gaming experience. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.